Central Indiana, Central Oldham County in Central Kentucky, Central Jefferson County in Central Kentucky until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Fairdale, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Louisville, Jeffersonville, Jeffersontown, St. Matthews, Shively, Linden, LaGrange, Middletown, Douglas Hills.
It's a doubleheader.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Everybody, Mark Levin here, number 877.